Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. After that we have to scroll down to reach the security and location, then tap on the screen lock, and we are able to set up 4 unlock methods. So I'm going to pick up the pattern, read the description, then click yes, draw your pattern, click next, and draw it one more time, then click confirm. I'm going to hide the sensitive content on the notifications, and after that we can just try to unlock the device with our new lock method. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.